Okay, hello and welcome back to a short video. We are still preparing for the cleanse, and this is where I'm going to take my glasses off because we're going to get real serious, okay? We're going to talk briefly today about a very, very sensitive subject as it relates to the cleanse, and that's about coffee and alcohol. I should say caffeine, all caffeine. I love coffee, so it gets very serious for me. So I've done the cleanse well many times, and so I definitely know what you're going through, and I want to just encourage you. It is so worth it. You are going to feel so good. I also want to remind you that you don't need to be perfect. Life is not about being perfect. Life is about your health is about up leveling, taking you from where you are now to the next level up to get that little taste of feeling better. And then you level up again, and then you level up again. So maybe this time you do the cleanse, completely eliminating caffeine isn't feasible. Maybe this time during the cleanse, completely eliminating alcohol isn't feasible. However, I really want you to look ahead at next week's schedule, and I want you to visualize yourself without caffeine, without alcohol, okay? And this week, you're going to be weaning down on those things. I'm going to tell you how I weaned off my creamer with a little coffee. So during my first cleanse, I actually measured out how much creamer I wanted for taste. And then each day I put in a little less creamer until I got to black, and then I watered down the black coffee so it was less potent. And then I was able to get myself off coffee with creamer and onto plain black coffee. Plain black coffee is way better for you than all the additives you can add to your morning cup of coffee. So that's a trick for future use. But for the cleanse, you're going to want to start weaning down as soon as possible so that during your cleanse, again, you want to get the most out of it. You're here, you're putting in these efforts. So go ahead and start weaning down your caffeine. You can do half calf coffee. You can water it down. If you do 2 cups, do 1 cup. If you do 2 cups in the morning and 1 in the afternoon, just wean down whatever way possible. You might want to replace the caffeine with something, keeping in mind that that too will go away during cleanse week. But if in general you're trying to get rid of caffeine, you can replace it with an electrolyte drink. You can replace it with an amino acid drink, something that's a little bit more healthy than repeated drinks of caffeine throughout the day. So start weaning the caffeine, start weaning the alcohol. You won't regret it. Your hormone balances depend on it. So your cortisol level, your stress level is highly impacted by caffeine. So if you can wean down and up level that part of your health before and during the cleanse, that would be phenomenal. And remember, what we learn during the cleanse, we can continue to apply later on. So that's the very serious short video on weaning caffeine and alcohol during the prep phase of the 21-day health reset cleanse. The next video, we're going to jump into cleanse week. So spend the next week getting ready. And then the next video, you will want to watch the day before, the day that you start your cleanse.